Yes. Next. So guys, I'm discussing about that Facebook marketing. What is the Facebook publishing tool option? What is the purpose? So guys, who are first time watching my video, you can check my video complete thoroughly. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and ask any kind of questions. I will give a reply and I clarify your every doubts. So anyone I'm not give answer by your comment box. I'm forgetting, you can re-comment me and definitely will be give answer and along with the solution also will be sent along with the link also. So now if you are promoting any kind of Facebook and Instagram posting purpose, so we are using for Facebook Creator Studio option. So Creator Studio nothing required. That is called the option will be called Business Studio option is there. There is an option name is called you can using for publishing tools. The Instagram connecting for your Facebook option, that option name is called publishing tool. When you click the publishing tool, at a time we'll be posting for Facebook and Instagram also. There is a very important option. What are the posts you've done? Select the create post option. So at a time we'll be posting for Facebook and Instagram also. So that is the here. Select photo, video, create a video. Three options flexible. Photo, video, and create the video. Select the photo. Where is the photo will be here? I'm go to download. Select here. I'm select option will be in this. Copy the post. At a time, I'll posting for Facebook and Instagram also. At a time, posting for Facebook and Instagram also. This is the content will be uploading at a time. Will be post and schedule post also will be flexible. Where you can schedule the post, Instagram and Facebook. I'll show the two things, along image along with the post. So my latest code you can watch here. The post not done by the in this. So he's already post this image. I change it for another image that is called maybe add call option. We can two images will accepted, but I remove the one image. I remove the one image. So here, so this image will be added. Now you can check here. So now here publishing tool, click for publish the option. At a time, the post will be done by Facebook page and Instagram option. There's two options. Why every Facebook page connecting for Instagram compulsory. If you want posting for at a time Facebook, Instagram, compulsory your Facebook connectivity will be Instagram mandatory field. So that is called the studio will be given option name is called publishing tool option. So now it is called, he will be here, refresh. That a fraction of second, email will appear by in this. So that is a publishing tool option. At a time, without using Creator Studio, you can upload in for multiple images. More than we can don't exceed for 5 images. The image size will be, if you can show for cursor purpose, selecting for 1080 by 1080 for Instagram purpose. For suppose, if you are only posting Instagram, not for Facebook, just you can post here. Selecting for one image. I'll go with one image and post it. You can look at here. So what are the image will be post? Select here. So I'm posting where? From the Facebook option. So here I'm posting in this Instagram. Selecting image is done. Now click for publish. Now we are posting only for Instagram, not for the Facebook. That only possible for Instagram posting. So now you can look here. Now will be refresh. Facebook publishing tool that only supporting for Instagram also. That only publishing to Instagram also. Now you can open your page. The image post or not. The compulsory question is there. It will be posting will be here. Now you can check for the your Facebook page. The image post or not. So the image will be not post. That only posting for where? Instagram. If anybody question in interview, can I post Instagram from Facebook? Without selecting for Facebook page. It is possible with the Facebook publishing tool or Facebook Creator Studio. But every Facebook page, when I go to the setting option, that is compulsory connecting Instagram is a mandatory field. That field don't miss on your particular option. So these are the complete tips you can understanding to use publishing tool option on your particular Facebook page option. So these are the priorities Don't forget to posting content in Facebook and Instagram. Only Instagram, the proper content, proper image, and proper video. Multiple image cursor post is valid only for Instagram. The size will be 1080 by 1080, 500 by 500 pixel you can use, and post the content will be Instagram by using Facebook publishing tool. So that will be here in the left corner publishing tool. This option is not showing in your left side corner. When you're creating post option, they will showing below option publishing tools. No need to worry. They are always supporting for option in a post option in the left corner on the Facebook page, not for the your left side only, not for the supporting for profile. They support only for Facebook page option. So these are the priorities. Keep it in mind. Post the content, get the traffic from your Instagram to particular Facebook to in your channel or website. Don't forget, Facebook option name is called Facebook Publishing Tools. Without using Creator Studio, will be post content Facebook and Instagram. For any questions, you have facing any problem, can comment me in my channel. I definitely will be support. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.